You know how much I love Ninja products, and I'm excited today. I just got my new Ninja professional food processor, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing and demo for you. So let's get started right now. Hi, I'm Joann. I'm a certified raw vegan chef. If you're looking for healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet, you're in the right place. So please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. I love Ninja products. It started out with a coffee maker, and I loved it so much that I got the small personal blender. Then I got the air fryer, and then the larger Foodi blender. We recently bought the Ninja Professional Plus food processor. I'm going to unbox it and see it with you for the first time. Then I'll demonstrate its features and give it a review. Will I recommend it? Let's find out right now. So let's start with the unboxing. We can't use it if it's still in the box, duh. Here's what the box looks like for the Ninja Professional Food Processor. It has Auto IQ preset programs with a 9-cup capacity. It will chop, slice, shred, and make dough. It uses a chopping blade to chop and puree, the dough blade to knead the dough, and the disc to slice and shred. It's easy to put together, and all the parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. We'll link this in the description below. Let's take a look inside. It comes with several guides, but I have to laugh at this silly warning. Now don't put it in the oven. That means someone somewhere has done this before. Oh boy. Here's the lid. This holds the disc. Here's the disc, the dough blade, the container and chopping blade, and the motor base. Like the Ninja blender, the food processor base has stoppers to keep it from moving across the countertop. It comes in handy, but boy is it strong. As you can see, it has 4 Auto IQ preset programs: chop, puree, dough, and disc. You can set it on low, high, or pulse as well. Now the container is boxed with a chopping blade. Most food processors have an S blade. The Ninja uses a double S blade, basically to chop food more evenly. Just twist and lock the container onto the motor base. The blades are at different levels, similar to the tower blades of the Ninja Foodi blender. There's the food tamper, which fits into the lid and can also hold about a cup of liquid to add during processing. This stand holds up the disc, so the tamper can push food into it for slicing and shredding. That's the dough blade. Here's the disc. This side is for shredding, and this side is for slicing. So, the manuals include this recipe guide, the quick assemble guide, dough making 101, and the owner's guide. Even assembled, it fits under the cabinet with room to spare. So let's demonstrate some of the features of the Ninja. What is your favorite food processor? Let us know in the comments below.
Round 1.
The dough making feature. So we're going to demonstrate with an awesome vegan, gluten-free, soft pretzel recipe like we did for the Ninja blender. This has a lot of ingredients, but it's so worth the trouble. Don't worry, you can find the full recipe in the description below. Gently click the lid into place. Don't try to force it. Hit the power and the dough buttons to mix the ingredients. Obviously, we're going to be using the dough blade for this. It mixes the ingredients and kneads the dough for just 30 seconds. Add a little oil to a bowl. Add the dough and turn it to have the oil on all sides to keep it from drying out while it rises. Cover it, set it in a warm place, and give it an hour or so. Just roll it, cut it, score each piece, boil them, butter them, and bake them. Even though they're gluten-free, they taste very close to the original. They're so delicious. We showed all the steps to make this recipe in our Ninja Foodi blender video. The pretzel bites turned out exactly the same. They also tasted the same as the traditional method of hand kneading or even using a bread maker. So we ranked the dough making feature of the Ninja food processor a 10. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button now, it'll sure help us out.
Round 2.
The puree feature. We're going to demonstrate with a raw vegan onion dip. The base for this dip is sprouted sunflower seeds, so let's puree them with the Ninja. Add in the spices and liquids, snap the lid into place, turn on the power, and press the puree button. Even though the sunflower seeds have been soaked, they will take a while for them to be smooth enough for a dip. Scrape the sides each time you stop it. Puree some more. Let's try it on high now. And again. A little more. Finally, see how smooth that is? Scrape it into a large bowl. See the description for the full recipe. Add in the celery, the green onions, the red onions, and fresh or dried parsley. Stir it together for a delicious onion dip. This turned out great. Be sure to stick around to the end to see how the Ninja food processor does. So we ranked the puree feature for the Ninja food processor a 9, since it took quite a while to get it smooth. Don't forget to download 20 tips for buying healthy groceries on a budget in the description below.
Round 3.
The disc shredder and slicer. Make sure the shredder side of the disc is facing upwards. Place it on top of the disc stand. Lock the lid into place. Let's use a carrot to demonstrate the shredding feature. I pushed low here, but you can also press the disc button. They go at the same speed. Use the tamper to push the carrot all the way through. This wouldn't be a fun way to trim your nails. This is our shredded carrots, perfect for salad or carrot cake. So we ranked the disc shredder feature for the Ninja food processor a 10. Check out our video on the Ninja blender versus the Vitamix. We'll link it in the info card and in the description below. This time, make sure the slicer side of the disc is facing upwards. Place it on the disc stand. Attach the container and lid. We're going to demonstrate with a block of cheddar jack cheese. I pressed low again, but the disc button is the same speed. Use the tamper again for safety. It sliced pretty well, perfect for crackers or a sandwich. So we ranked the disc slicer feature for the Ninja food processor an 8, since it broke a few pieces and made some crumbs. Averaging these scores, we get 9.25 out of 10. That's excellent. So we can highly recommend the Ninja Professional Food Processor to add to your kitchen arsenal. Check out more unboxing videos in this playlist and in the description below. Remember, you can have your comfort foods, but just in a healthy way. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.